Yes, hello mga ka-channel! Kumusta po kayong lahat? So, it's been a long time na hindi po ako nakapag-update po sa inyo kasi as in sobrang busy po kasi talaga ako. Oo, naghahabol po ng oras kasi estudyante final exam, final project sa kailangang ipapasa po. So, ito nga hindi pa ako tapos. So, naisip ko po kasi kayo na hindi na ako nakapag-update sa inyo. So, ayun, estudyante muna tayo ngayon. Hindi muna magtitinda ng lupa. Ayan, so, naisipan ko pong mag-update sa inyo. Gusto ko kasing i-share yung pinapagawa ng proof namin, yung about sa mag-survey po ng lupa. So, gusto ko ring i-share sa inyo kasi may video kami actual. So, gusto ko lang ding i-share sa inyo para may update po ako sa inyo kung anong ginagawa ko na hindi ako nakapag-upload na. So, yun. And then, kumusta po kayong lahat? Sana naging okay naman po kayo. Mag-ingat po kayo lagi. At saka, balita ko, marami pong napiktuhan sa bagyong Odette. So, dito rin po sa Davao, napiktuhan rin na wala yung Globe at Smart na signal at Wi-Fi. One day po yun. So, I hope you guys ay okay naman at mag-iingat po kayo lagi. Stay safe. Lalo na palapit na yung Pasko at bagong taon, di ba? So, ano kaya ang handa natin ngayong Pasko? So, bahala na yung kasabihan pa nila, bahala na walang handa, basta malusog lang ang ating katawan, di po ba? So, laging mag-iingat and stay safe. Lalo na pwede na tayo maglabas-labas ngayon. Extra careful lang talaga since nandito pa naman talaga si COVID, di po ba? So, mag-iingat po and advance Merry Christmas. So I hope guys you will like this video na i-share ko po sa inyo. And please sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe dyan, please po subscribe naman kayo at pa-hit ng bell button para ma-notify po kayo sa next episode ko. So thank you. Bye-bye. God bless. Yes, hello everyone. How are you? Advance Merry Christmas. So today, I want to share with you a small video on how to survey a land. Char. I am your surveyor for today, so bear with me. I want to share with you some tips, what I have learned in our subject in basic trigonometry real estate appraisal. So, i-share ko lang sa inyo and hope you will like it. You will learn something too. So, since I'm still a student and I don't have those tracker GPS that the geodetic engineer have, so I'm using this one, the meters tape that is about 3 meters. And then, I'm using the tie box later outside. Maybe I can have those sticks later for the landmark of the area. And then the compass, the compass very important. It is very necessary since we will calculate the land. We need to determine the course and bearing of the land area. So we will sketch it later in a graph. Magplotting po tayo, and then we will determine the total land area. About the dimension of the land, the length and the width, and the perimeter of the area. So bear with me. I want to share just only for you since it is our final project in our subject. So I need to do it. I need to do this, guys. So bear with me and tara, we'll go outside. So hello guys, we are here outside. Now we will try to survey a land. So what I'm using is this one, the meter tape. It's around 3 meters, and the sticks for the landmark. So from here, we will survey the land. And the boundary there, we will just survey a small land here, from here. So, we will get this perimeter and the course and bearing of the land area. So, we will use the compass so we can determine the course and bearing. So we will know the total lot area of the perimeter, the dimension, the width, and then we will plotting the area later. So tara, bear with me since I am your surveyor for today. So we are done, and we will go inside and we will put the graphs and we will calculate the dimension of the area, mga ka-channel. So I hope we did we did good, mga ka-channel. So tara, let's calculate inside. We will plot the area of this one. And ang hirap maging surveyor, mga channel. You need to go there in and then to locate the proper measurement of the area. So tara, let's go and plot the area, graph the graph it trigonometry and the course and then. So we did it already, mga ka-channel. We surveyed a small part lot area outside, And then I record all those bearings and the distance of the lot. And then outside you can see that it's initially it's a rectangle, the shape of the land that we surveyed. But for us to able to determine that it's really a perfect rectangle, we need to check the bearing angle. So to check the bearing angles, we need to do the partition. I will recall to you about the partition coordinate system, which is those quadrants. There is first quadrant, second quadrant, third and fourth, which is it indicate the north, south, east and west. So in every quadrant there is 90-degree angle. So those quadrant, we will check if where the this bearing location. So we will plot the area. Also, this kind of plotting, mga ka-channel, we can see it in the title. If you have a land title, we can see it there down written in your land title description, like L equals to bearing, and they put it's a bearing like example 100 degree now southeast, like this, and the distance. So for you to check if your title it's really the same lot area, the total lot area of the title, I will show you on how they compute it, mga ka-channel. And then why is it there in the vicinity map of your title, it looks like there is a perfect rectangle, there is a triangle size, and then there is another square like this. So it's depend on the bearing of the area. So now for our lot area, we calculate now the lot area that we surveyed outside. We will calculate, and it is the same also, the same what's in the description of your land title, the same how they compute about it. So now what we are going to do, I will draw a quadrant, small one, yeah, just to know about the north and south, the bearings sa north, south, west, east. So the first bearing 131. So we will like this. So I put just a dot here, so it will that 131 degree. Now the distance. So we will assume that this is the inches that I'm going to use is the meters. So we will use the 3 inches instead of 3 meter. Yeah, where's the dot here? And the inches. Okay, the dot here, and then we are going to make again the quadrant, and north, south, east again, and here is the 3 meter, and here is the 131 degree southeast. Yan. So again, the same. We'll do 222. Yeah. 122 southwest. So here, 222. So here. Now the distance is 6 meters. So 6 meters. 6 meters here. Put the dot here, 6 meters. And we will do again a quadrant. Meters. So here, no. Southwest. So another one is 312 north. We did mga ka-channel our plotting. So now what we are going to do, so as you can see, it is a perfect rectangle. So now it is not finished. We need to know the total lot area that we surveyed outside. So here we just finished the plotting, the bearings, and the distance, and the width, and the width and the length. So now we will calculate the total lot area. So since this is a perfect rectangle, we will use only the area perimeter. Now we will write the given. Since we have the given, width, ang width natin is 3 meter, and then the length equals to 6 meter. So our formula, area equals length times width. So since it is the perfect, so we will only use this one. So length, so the length here, the given is 6 meter times the width 3 meter. So area equals to 6 times 3, 18 square meter. So the total lot area that we surveyed is 18 square meter. So the area equals to 18 square meter. So this is our vicinity map chart. So this is what we did outside. We survey. So since we initially knew that the shape of the lot is rectangle, but we also need to plot to make to determine that it is really a rectangle. Now it's confirmed that the shape of the land is rectangle. Perfect. So now, since it is required for us to calculate also the perimeter, so the formula we will use is P equals, we will just add all these sides, the width and the length. So since it is 2 the length, so we will use 2 times length plus width, then equals to 2 times, so the length is 6, so plus 3 the width, so equals to 2 times, so 6 plus 3, 9, then 9 times 2 times 9, 18. So the total perimeter equals to 18 meter. So that's it, mga ka-channel. So we're done. Yeah, this is it. So it's really a perfect rectangle. So this is only the example of plotting, mga ka-channel, but there is another way, another solution. If the lot area is irregular shape, or the area is triangle, the shape is triangle, it's another way of calculation also, mga ka-channel. But this is one is very simple and basic, that usually if you have this perfect rectangle, it's very nice, the area. Yeah. So yun. So we're done. We made it, mga ka-channel. So I hope you guys, you learned something too about the bearings of the land and how to solve it, to calculate, to compute the land area. And especially, you have the idea now when you look at your land title, the description down in the title, there is the bearings and the distance, so you know what does it mean, and then you will able to know the so I will check if it is really a 1 hectare. So now we will just make a very small lot area. We just only surveyed. There will be more like 1 hectare, 10 hectares, a lot things of computation to do. But this is just a basic that I need to show to you, since it is our final project. So thank you for today. Thank you for watching, and bye bye. Merry Christmas. Thank you.